Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kirby and the Forgotten Land. First, let's master the basics. Use the left stick to guide Kirby through the colorful stages. Press the B button to jump, allowing you to navigate platforms and dodge incoming attacks. The A button is your key to inhaling enemies, which is crucial for gaining new powers. You can also spit out objects as a projectile. These fundamental controls will be your foundation for adventure. Kirby's signature move is inhaling enemies to steal their powers. There are over 10 distinct copy abilities to discover, each offering unique attacks and traversal options. Try the sword ability for close-range combat or the ranger ability for long-distance shots. Beyond that, mouthful mode lets Kirby swallow large objects, like a car or a cone, granting entirely new ways to interact with the world and solve environmental puzzles. Your adventure takes you across a captivating world filled with secrets. A primary goal is rescuing the adorable Waddle Dees scattered throughout each stage. Many are easy to spot, but others require keen observation and puzzle solving. Completing hidden missions within levels also contributes to your rescue count. As you save more Waddle Dees, their town flourishes, unlocking new areas, shops, and fun minigames for you to enjoy. To enhance your journey, you can upgrade Kirby's copy abilities. Collect star coins and rare stones found throughout the levels. Take these to Waddle Dee's weapons shop in town to evolve your powers, making them stronger and more versatile. Each world culminates in an exciting boss battle. Observe their attack patterns carefully, identify their weaknesses, and use your upgraded abilities strategically to emerge victorious and continue your quest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.